everyone, today let's find around my home again. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, African land snail. Wow, oh my god. Wow, it's so beautiful, African land snail. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, one more. Wow. One more African land snail. Oh my god, wow. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. African land snail. Oh my god. It's so big. Wow. Oh my god, one more. Wow. Oh my god. One more African land snail. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow. Two more, wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful, African land snail. Wow. Oh my god, wow. Oh, one more African land snail. Wow. Oh, wow. One more. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh, two more African land snail. Wow. Oh my god, two more African land snail. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, two more. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, two more. Oh, two more African land snail. Wow. It's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh, one more. Wow. One more African land snail. Oh my god. Wow. My god, wow, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, wow, one more. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, oh my god. So many African land snails. Wow. Bye bye.